I'm Venmathi and I'm happy to introduce Sia Kamboj. She's a 7th grader at Challenger School and I started mentoring Sia in November of last year. And when we met, she had already done a lot of work in HTML, JavaScript and CSS, and of these I knew only HTML and the very basics of it. So I was a little nervous to begin with, but then Sia was also very focused on her project, and in the process both of us learned a lot, I think. Anyway, I'll let Sia talk about her project. She's a very independent girl and it's a pleasure working with her.
My name is Sia Kamboj and I attend 7th grade Challenger School. I learned computer programming ever since I was in 1st grade, but last summer I learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I then joined Magic to apply and expand my knowledge. My mentor Venmathi G works at Medtronic on early phase research and development projects. Her hobbies include reading, going on long walks, and baking. With the help of my mentor, I coded a website that taught vocabulary, science, and math on 3 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. This website was hosted on GitHub pages and was coded with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a little bit of jQuery that I learned on Codecademy, JS Fiddle, and jQuery. These levels are on a middle school level and teach people in a fun and interesting way. My website incorporated randomizing arrays to randomize questions by swapping 2 variables. It also strengthened my previous knowledge on for loops and if-else statements, which were used to run and stop my programs when it was time to do so. Additionally, I used multiple choice during the vocabulary sections of my website, text boxes which allowed the user to write in an answer in the math sections, and submit buttons that were used throughout the whole program. While trying to create this, I ran into a lot of difficulties, but my mentor helped me through this, and through her guidance, I was able to create an amazing website that I am very proud of. So as you can see, I was able to incorporate a countdown timer, that basically starts off at 10 minutes and keeps on decreasing the time as you go forward. I was also able to incorporate 2 different frames. So if suppose you were to press intermediate as opposed to beginner, then it would take you to an altogether different frame with different questions. And I was able to distinguish the levels. Even though I may still need help to complete and perfect my project on the science and math sections, my mentor has taught me sufficient information, and I am grateful for her to have taught me all these techniques that I will be able to use in future references. Thank you.